Thank you for coming back to today's video. Like we had told you the previous video, today we're going to be visiting other farmers who are growing hot pepper. Mr. Del Gracious is going to be taking us through as we visit some of the other farmers that he works with in this job. So they'll be teaching us some more about growing pepper, and if you have any question you can still leave it in the comment section, so don't go away. Greetings to all of you watching us. Today we are visiting the garden for Mr. Katende Ambrose. He has just started growing pepper. He saw this job and really fell in love with growing pepper. So he's located in Kamango in Impeji district, and we are going to be visiting his garden. He's one of the farmers that Mr. Dale trained, but we will also be visiting the other farmers who have been doing this job for a long time. But Mr. Katende has just started to do this job. Mr. Dale Gracious is a lead farmer in Impeji district, so farmers in Impeji district can easily work with him as they grow their crops.